How are you today?
I'm feeling great, thanks. How are you today?
I'm a bit tired. What's your name?
My name is John. What's your name?
I'm called Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What do you do?
I work in sales. How old are you?
I'm 32 years. How old are you?
I'm 25 years. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What's your favorite food?
Sushi is my favorite. Do you like music?
Yes, I love it. Do you like music?
Not really, no. Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive. Can you drive?
No, I can't drive. Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you have pets?
No, I don't. What's your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite. What's your favorite color?
I love red. Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. Do you like sports?
Not really. Do you speak French?
Yes, a little. Do you speak French?
No, I don't. Where do you live?
I live in London. Where do you live?
I live in Tokyo. Do you like reading?
Yes, very much. Do you like reading?
Not at all. Do you have siblings?
Yes, 2 brothers. Do you have siblings?
Yes, one sister. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you like cooking?
No, I don't. Do you exercise often?
Yes, every day. Do you exercise often?
No, rarely. What's your favorite movie?
I love Inception. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite is Titanic. Do you play games?
Yes, I do. Do you play games?
No, I don't. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it. Do you like coffee?
No, I prefer tea. Do you have kids?
No, I don't. Do you have kids?
Yes, 2 boys. What's your favorite book?
I love Harry Potter. What's your favorite book?
Pride and Prejudice. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you like dancing?
No, not really. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer. Do you play sports?
No, I don't. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much. Do you have a car?
Yes, I have one. Do you have a car?
No, I don't. What's your hobby?
I love painting. What's your hobby?
I like knitting. Do you like winter?
Yes, I do. Do you like winter?
No, it's too cold. Do you like summer?
Yes, I love it. Do you like summer?
No, it's too hot. What's your favorite drink?
I like lemonade. What's your favorite drink?
I prefer coffee. Do you like cats?
Yes, I do. Do you like cats?
No, I prefer dogs. Do you play piano?
Yes, I do. Do you play piano?
No, I don't. Do you like painting?
Yes, I do. Do you like painting?
No, I don't. Do you like cycling?
Yes, I do. Do you like cycling?
No, I don't. Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do. Do you eat meat?
No, I'm vegetarian. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I do. Do you like fruit?
Yes, very much. Do you like running?
Yes, I do. Do you like running?
No, I don't. Do you have a bike?
Yes, I do. Do you have a bike?
No, I don't. Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it. Do you like chocolate?
No, not really. Do you like tea?
Yes, I do. Do you like tea?
Yes, very much. Do you play guitar?
Yes, I do. Do you play guitar?
No, I don't. Do you like baking?
Yes, I do. Do you like baking?
No, I don't. Do you like baking?
No, I don't. Do you like hiking?
No, not really. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I do. Do you like gardening?
No, I don't. Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I do. Do you like puzzles?
No, I don't. Do you like skiing?
Yes, I do. Do you like skiing?
No, not really. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love it. Do you like the beach?
Yes, very much. Do you have a garden?
Yes, I do. Do you have a garden?
No, I don't. Do you like rain?
Yes, I do. Do you like rain?
No, I don't. Do you like snow?
Yes, I love it. Do you like snow?
Yes, it's magical. Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I do. Do you like puzzles?
No, I don't. Do you like skiing?
Yes, I do. Do you like skiing?
No, not really. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love it. Do you like the beach?
Yes, very much. Do you have a garden?
Yes, I do. Do you have a garden?
No, I don't.